Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss any of my quick Instagram tips and iPhone tutorials. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to change your phone number on Instagram using your iPhone in 2025. Maybe you've switched numbers or just want to make sure your account is up to date for better security. Either way, this is super quick to do. First, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone and head over to your profile by tapping the little profile icon at the bottom right. Once you're there, tap the three lines in the top right corner and choose Settings and Privacy. From here, go into the Account Center, then tap Personal Details and Contact Info. You'll see your current phone number listed, so just tap it, delete the old number and type in your new one. When you hit Next, Instagram will send a verification code to your new number. Enter that code and your phone number will instantly be updated on your account. And that's all there is to it. Just a couple of taps and you're done. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more iPhone and Instagram tips and drop a comment letting me know what feature you want me to cover next.